Do you have a low-quality video that looks blurry and pixelated? Today, I'll show you how to turn it into sharp 4K quality in just a few clicks. We'll be using Topaz Video AI, one of the best AI tools for video enhancement and upscaling. First, open Topaz Video AI and drag your video into the software. Thanks for watching. Well, I'm just joking. Now, as you can see, this is the original low-quality clip. Now select the enhancement model. For most videos, Proteus or Iris gives excellent results. These models improve sharpness, details, and overall clarity. Next, change the output resolution to 4K. This will upscale your video and make it look much more premium. You can also adjust noise reduction, recover details, and fix compression. Don't overdo it. Balanced settings usually look the best. Now let's move to the most important part, export settings. Go to Codec settings and choose H.264. Set the profile to high. For processing, choose GPU depending on your computer or laptop. Now set the bitrate mode to constant and enter 180 megabits per second. For audio mode, select copy. Then choose the container format as MP4. Everything is set now. Finally, keep the frame rate on original for the best result. Now click on export. Your video is ready to render. Just wait for the exporting process to finish. And here's the final result. The difference is huge, from blurry footage to clean, sharp, cinematic 4K quality. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more editing tips and AI tool tutorials.